Hello guys, SAF Sinpu here. Hope you are well. Here you can see Mark Zuckerberg faces that his 119 million followers dropped down and his follower count now 10,000. So it's showing everyone that your followers are decreases so much. So if you are facing this kind of problem, so here you can see but the followers is also showing there. If you are clicking on the profile not showing, the page is not unable right now. So everyone facing these problems. So if you are also facing these types of problems, then go to your profile section, and here you can see your profile, and then your followers. If your followers are decreases, then click to the three dot menu here, and you will see a option that go to turn on professional mode. So after that, click on the turn on professional mode, and after uh, after turn the professional mode, your all followers will be available on your profile. So this is the solution of your profile followers decreases problem. If you are facing this kind of problem, then don't forget to comment below. Or also reminded that it's an Facebook bug. So after fixing this problem, Facebook will re-show your every followers in your profile section. So that's all for today. I hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. See you in the next one. Bye.